Zane, what's wrong with your finger, baby?
I don't know.
Here, put this here. Oh, here, just like I'm gonna set it here for you. Hey, don't be mad.
What?
I said, don't be mad.
Okay.
Hey, you look over here. Do you see my finger?
No.
Is it weird looking? What do you think?
Mm-mm.
Can I set this here? Look.
No.
What's the matter?
I don't want it.
Hazy. Zane. What are you doing? Can I take a video of you?
Yeah.
I can. A video of what? Oh, that's your butt. I don't want a picture of your butt. Can I see your pretty face? Hi, pretty boy. Can you look at the camera? Zane, can you look at the camera? Look right here at the apple. Do you see the apple on the back of this? Do you see the apple?
Yeah.
Look at Mama. Look at the apple. Okay, enough smiling. So where'd Dad go?
You went to the market.
He did.
Yeah.
Did he take Lily with him?
Yeah.
He did. What do you think they're going to get at the market?
Stop. What is going to get?
I don't know. You tell me.
No, you tell me.
I think he'll get some chicken. What do you think? You think he'll get some chicken? Zane, do you think he'll get chicken? Or bread?
Chicken.
Chicken? Okay. Oh, please don't kick my iPad.
No.
Okay.